Hello, this is Laura Angel with Mississippi State University in DeSoto County. I just wanted to pop on here and show you guys this week Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go Kit. And so this week, our kit, you can pick them up Monday through Friday from 8 until 5 in our hallway. You can enter the main doors on Highway 51 South, and this week we are featuring sunflowers and zinnias. And so you get a really nice publication on sunflowers and zinnias, and you get information on how to harvest your own flowers from your garden. Or maybe if you don't have flowers in your own garden, maybe you can go harvest some from a friend's garden. And so we've given you information on how to harvest. And then we've given you a page full of QR codes to other videos that we have done with our fresh flower focus. So if you've missed some of those, you can use a QR reader to clue in and watch some of the videos on how to make a floral arrangement. And so we're challenging everyone this week to use Oasis and to go harvest your own flowers. And so we've given you a tool, Oasis Floral Foam, in order to make a arrangement with fresh flowers that you harvest yourself. And so think about flowers maybe in your yard or a friend's yard, or maybe you could ask a neighbor to harvest some of their flowers to make an arrangement. If you don't have any, you could shop at our local farmer's market or purchase flowers at the supermarket. And we've also given you some more ribbon if you wanted to add ribbon to your arrangement. And so enjoy yourself, have fun, use some of the information in the publication and the handout that we used this week. Let us know how it goes. Drop us a text message to my phone number, and I'll put it in the description above to send me a picture of what you're doing and what your final arrangement looks like. Or you can email us at desoto@ext.msstate.edu. So give us an email or send me a text with your arrangement. And so this week, this is the arrangement that we created out of flowers and greenery from the extension office and from my garden at home. And so if you watch our fresh flower focus on Friday, you will see a video of us harvesting these. And so be on the lookout on Friday morning at 8:30. We are premiering a video on harvesting your own flowers. So stay tuned to that. And you can see us harvesting these flowers, and this is the beautiful arrangement that we created from the flowers that we picked from our garden, and from my garden and the office garden. So have fun this week, create an arrangement, and show it to me. I look forward to seeing everybody's results. Have a great day and stay safe.